Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I'm out here on the property. Got a couple of jobs this evening. I just got from work and I wanted to do this. So if you look over here, and hopefully my microphone's not in the way, you see my black cross tie, a really dark brown. Over here you see a pressure treated post. Well, me being the way I am, I want to change that to where they're both the same color. So I ran out to the Homeless Depot today. Got some Bear stain and is ebony, which is, it should be really dark brown, black, you know. So what I'm gonna do, and I want to cut the post off to where it's the same height as the other ones. I want everything to look good, and since I couldn't get a cross tie, I'm gonna fake it. Like the old saying, if you can't make it, fake it. So I got a couple of marks on here. I'm gonna, with the square and the pencil, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna cut it off and make it look just like that one over there. It's, the post is just a tad bit higher than the gate. So I'm gonna get my chainsaw, since I don't have any power down here. See if you lined up with the post there. There we go. Got my glasses on, I got my chainsaw. And we're gonna cut this joker as straight as we can. Cut it. Alright, that was as straight as I could do it with that, so we're going to fix it now. Got some 80 grit on the old Ryobi, so we're going to go over and do this. If you don't have one of those, get one. Cheap and they work good. So I'm gonna cut the rest of these branches. I'm gonna cut a couple of these trees, and then we'll get this stained. And then we're gonna go out the road and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the weed eater. So y'all stay with me. All right, so I got the trees cut away. Turn you around a little bit. Got the trees cut away, so now I'm gonna start staining this. I'm hoping it looks good. We're gonna fix and find out. That's ebony. We're gonna see what it looks like. That's perfect. Thanks. All right, I think one coat's gonna be fine. It's a little bit darker than the other one, but I'm tickled to death with it. So we're gonna leave it at one coat. I got a couple of trees cut. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna cut this one or not. I may just trim the limbs back on it. So now I'm gonna spray Roundup or Home Depot HDR, whatever it is, and we'll do some spraying here. Always be careful doing this. I should be wearing a mask, but I'm not. I'm trying to eliminate the poison oak. I'm sure we got the poison oak here. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll go out to the road and I'll show you what I got out there. All right, I got the old Stihl FS91 here. Now as you can see, this is the mound on the end of our driveway, and it's growed up. I've seen pictures of it where it wasn't. It was a real pretty driveway, and so we're going to try to fix the driveway a little bit too. So I'm going to do some cutting here. I could have bought me a nice place on a manicured golf lot. All right, I put all the day into it I can. I got about half of this cleaned up. My driveway comes in here and here. So I'd love to have this kind of mounded and grass, and still have the power pole and stuff, you know, but I want it to look neat when I come in. I don't want it to be an eyesore, because a sawbriar patch ain't never an eyesore. I got about half of it, or a little more than half. I got more than half cleaned up. I got to do something with that phone, because nobody around here has phone, and this is Southern Bell on the sign, which Southern Bell went out of business about 25 years ago, so I think. But anyway, I'm gonna pack it up and go home. Go close the gates. But anyway, if y'all like this video, I'm just doing it like a vlog style where I'm showing you what I'm doing. Hope it gives you some ideas. The Stihl FS91, that thing's a machine. Look at me, I'm bleeding. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified, and I'll probably be back here tomorrow night if it's not raining, and I'll bring you along. So anyway, thanks for watching.